Baked bean loaf. Open up a can of beans. Mix it with your hopes and dreams in a bowl with beaten egg. Don't beat your dreams, just the egg. In a pan, fire up some oil. Fry 4 things grown in the soil. Onion, garlic, pepper too, and some chilli should suit you. When soft, add them to the bowl. Flavoured beans and dreams the goal. If not vegan, add some cheese. If vegan, add vegan cheese. Wallop a dollop of yeast extract. Marmite's best to be exact. Also add tomato sauce. And a pinch of salt, of course. Grease a tin, make oven hot. Gas mark 4 should bake this lot. Spoon it in and make a wish for a dreamy, dream-filled dish. Bake it good for 30 min till crispy topped, soft within. Turn it out and serve it hot. Eat, enjoy, and smile a lot. For a vegan version, you can substitute the egg with egg substitute.